This is how to install Pathmonk. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked a few questions to set your account, including your contact and business details. We will ask you to add your brand name, select your main conversion goal, and enter your website URL. Next, install Pathmonk using Google Tag Manager, your CMS, or a simple code snippet. Now, it's time to create a conversion goal. We'll be using your current website booking tool page for this. Simply paste your URL, save your goal, and create the preferred tracking. In this case, we'll use a thank you page. Add a name to your tracking event and set a monetary value. To configure the micro experiences, simply select your language and let the AI do all the heavy lifting. It will extract the most relevant information from your website to create them. Once they've been created, simply add a call to action. You can then decide whether to publish immediately or review and customize. Let's opt to publish. You can decide if you want to show Pathmonk to 50% of your traffic or 95%. We're going to choose the recommended setup with 50% and click Publish. And that's it. Pathmonk is now working to turn your visitors into customers.